It's a fact. Toyota offers 10 different vehicles with available 4 or all-wheel drive. So when roads are a challenge, we have your answer with great limited time savings, including the best-selling RAV4 right now with APR financing as low as 0%. Or go for the larger Highlander with $1,000 cash back or the same 0% APR. Both ready to take you down winter's toughest roads. Discover Toyota's 4 and all-wheel drives for yourself. Visit any of your Inland Empire Toyota dealers today. Toyota, let's go places.
And hi there, everybody. I'm meteorologist Don Morelli with you here on iFIBER Channel 1 News. Your weather forecast overnight tonight through the weekend. Of course, brought to you by Bud Cleary Toyota dealers. Toyota, let's go places. Boy, the temperature is going places, and that's down. An overnight cold front is really plunging on in with some bitter cold winds, so we're looking for a winter chill right through the weekend into Monday morning before we start seeing a little warm-up during the week. Periodic light snow. Definitely a possibility. A little bit on Saturday, a little bit more so overnight Sunday into Monday morning. Monday morning drive time looking to be a little interesting. In the meantime, what an interesting past 24 hours. 41 and 32 the extremes with a little light precipitation overnight last night, but generally we're looking at the clouds and some light snow overnight tonight, possibly with the cold front moving on in. 40 and 33 in Moses Lake, again with a trace of precipitation since around midnight. But not much throughout the day. It's overnight tonight. We might see a little band of light snow moving on through with the cold front and the blustery winds. That's the big thing overnight, the winds. They're already up to 16, 20 miles an hour from the northeast, so the cold air is coming on in. Maybe not just yet on the thermometer, 40 degrees, but it will feel a lot colder overnight tonight. You're out and about, especially after midnight through the sunrise hours. It's going to feel very winter-like. You notice the trend for the precipitation moving from northeast to southwest. So the cold front's backing its way across the Columbia Basin overnight tonight. And we'll see considerable clouds, still a few peaks of the sun throughout the day on Saturday, maybe a flurry, particularly as you get closer to the mountains to the west and looking more significant precipitation. Watch out west. We see a little slug of moisture coming in late in the day Sunday. That's why I'm concerned a little bit about overnight Sunday night into Monday morning. We might actually get a little bit healthier precipitation band across. But then after that, we try to warm it up into the work week. But get prepared for quite a windy and kind of cold weekend. Here we are in the Columbia Basin, and you see temperatures only in the teens and lower 20s. But you add a wind speed of 15, 25 miles an hour, and we're talking wind chill skies into the single digits, if not below zero. And you see further west, see a little bit more clouds hugging the foothills, and we might actually see a little bit of light snow. And if you're traveling west and around the Cascades, heading towards the coast or Seattle, whatever, be prepared. Some of the passes might be a little bit slippery. Same going if you're heading to the north. Anywhere you're getting towards the higher elevations, of course, we have a potential for some snow. Speaking of which, morning slick spots on Monday, definitely a possibility, but notice as I slip out of the way, 51 Tuesday, we get out of the rain shield and near 50 for the rest of the work week. Enjoy the weekend. Be careful, everyone.